ಯಾರು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್
orders.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Martin Cooper.
television
John Logie Baird.
telephone
Alexander Graham Bell. Camera Joseph Snifer.
aeroplane
Wright brother.
bicycle
Macmillan.
computer
Charles Babbage.
clock
Sing and Ling.
calculator
Bliss Pascal.
clock ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ film
Lady Forest.
yes internet
Tim Berners-Lee.
pencil
Nicholas Chakos.
school
Horace Mann.
Wi-Fi
John O'Sullivan.
pen
Bartholomew.
car
Car bench.